Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're diving right into how to create a project timeline in Asana, your guide for 2025. First things first, you need to create a new project. Simply click on the plus new button on the top right corner and select Project. Here, you can name your project, add a brief description, and set the privacy settings. Why do we do this? This step is crucial as it serves as a foundation for your timeline, allowing all team members to understand the project at a glance. Now that we've done that, let's move on to the next step. Here, we get to choose between a list, board, or timeline view. For this tutorial, we're choosing the timeline view. This helps us because it gives a graphical representation of your project, making it easier for you to track progress over time. Next up, we're going to add tasks to our timeline. To do this, click on the plus Add Task button at the bottom of your timeline. Enter the task name, then hit the Enter key. You can then click on the task to add more details like assignees, due dates, and dependencies. This step matters because it allows you to break down your project into manageable tasks, ensuring nothing falls through the cracks. Now, let's add some milestones. These are key markers or goals in your project timeline. To add a milestone, simply click on the task to open up the task details, then click on the More button at the top and select Convert to Milestone. The reason we do this is it helps to highlight important dates and deliverables, giving you a clear roadmap of your project. And finally, let's adjust our timeline view. Simply click and drag the ends of the task bars to change their start and end dates. You can also click and drag the entire taskbar to shift its position on the timeline. This helps us because it allows you to easily adjust your project timeline as things change, ensuring you stay on track. And there you have it. You've just created a project timeline in Asana. Remember, the key to a successful project is not only planning, but also adapting to changes as they come. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.